Okay, this one is today only, and it started about 15 minutes ago.
Okay, and we don't really know what's there.
No.
They didn't have anything in the ad.
No. Oh,
okay, here we go.
There it is.
Wow, there's nowhere to park.
Oh, yeah, no, there isn't. Maybe, can you sneak right up behind this guy? What? Well, we're in front of a driveway and a fire hydrant, so
Yeah, so
should be a good one.
trifecta, almost.
Well, we're too close for it to be a trifecta. That would have been the third thing, far away. You don't really do Harley shirts anymore.
No, it's just we wear our Banff stuff and
Yeah.
Bargain Baron shirts, and that's
Okay.
good. They're the coolest shirts ever. Why would I want to wear another shirt? The Namaste Frog.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
That's what he sounds like.
Is he metal?
No, he's gonna be.
Resin.
Oh, I was thinking ceramic.
No, these are outside.
Yeah. 65. Oh, 65 as well. Thought it'd be a little more actually.
Is that what it said?
Oh, maybe they are.
Oh.
They just don't have bulbs in them.
Yeah. Or shades.
Yeah, there's that. Well, here's
And-
one shade. You can put that. This is a shade.
This is kind of cute. Oh wow, look at that. It's glass beads. That's neat. Wow, lots of jewels, eh? Wow, so sparkly.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that's sparkly.
Wow, that is sparkly.
Yeah. Looks like it's a belt buckle.
Oh. That's all the woodwork.
Oh yeah, so much work. Cut them all out so nice.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I saw that. It's a perfume, I think.
Yeah.
I didn't know there was a,
Perfume?
I didn't know there was a Betty Boop perfume.
No.
It's little, like
must be.
flowery.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
Oh, there's a couple others.
Yeah. Those are Avon.
They are Avon, yeah.
Those.
Yeah. Somebody was a Betty Boop fan. Yeah, that looks older, hey?
1961. It's
Okay.
says on it.
No, I hear you. Well, that's interesting. There's not much room left in our place.
We had a sale like this last year with just as much stuff.
$3. Oh yeah,
It's-
I'll grab that.
I know. And you're like, how did you
We
get
don't have
it?
enough stuff for a garage sale. Well, this is what we have, and there's still more that we can't get out.
Well, when we
This is tons.
first moved in together, we had a garage sale at the new place, and people were like, "Oh, how many families is this?" And we're like, "Shut up!" 'Cause it's-
She said, "Is this a multi-family?"
yeah, no,
No,
just ours.
quarters.
Yeah.
Do you know if this is missing any pieces, or is that's it? Hey, just the pegs and some dice and the board.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'll grab that.
Oh, okay.
And whatever. Yeah.
Okay.
I couldn't tell you. I've
That's
never
cool.
heard of it before.
No,
Yeah, me neither.
he likes obscure old
I have
games.
a little
I think
collection.
it's from 60.
It says 61 on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I like the sports games. Yeah, cool. Thanks, guys.
All right. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
There's an extra die in there even. It's only a two die
It looks like
two die game, and then here's what you get when you roll.
Oh yeah.
And
then
you
the
got
pegs.
your pegs in here and
Oh, yeah.
score and
Yeah. How many pegs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green, 7 yellow. So either the same amount are missing,
yeah.
or that's the correct amount.
Yeah. That's what I would have done too. If there was 7 of one and 8 of another, well, I'd just lose the 1/8 of that other and
Yeah.
hey, it's a full set again.
Well, I could probably make one. They're just little wooden
yeah.
things.
No, that's probably what it's supposed to be.
Probably don't need more than that.
No, because you got 4 on the field, and then score, and inning, and whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seems to be complete.
Right on.
Okay.
On to the next.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, this one is on today only, and it started about an hour ago, and there's jewelry at it.
Okay, sounds good. Hopefully we can find some.
Yeah.
All right. Should just be up here a little bit. The GPS says it's
Okay.
just barely in here, so.
My side.
Yeah, here we go. There's the balloons.
Cool.
Back alley, it says.
Okay.
I mean, if it's... Is it just right? Should we just park here? And walk?
Sure.
I think so.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go find something big and or heavy.
Hopefully a load of gold.
Oh, yeah. Well, we did find that gold yesterday.
Yeah, you did find a little bit of gold yesterday
how
on
much
the...
gold is that like
That little hat pin?
$50 because it's so expensive
Oh,
right now?
God, it's so expensive.
I know.
So at $5,000, 14 grams is $2,500. Like, it's over $100 a gram.
I know. That's what I mean. Is that little thing $50 worth of gold? I know. It's
That is ridiculous.
Yeah. My mom thinks it's gonna go up still.
Yeah, oh yeah. It probably will.
Yeah, might. Hi.
Hello.
$3. Well, yeah, we have to get that. See?
Okay.
I knew I'd find some furniture.
Yep. We'll grab your dresser.
Yeah, I'll just finish looking around and then we'll go get the truck and, or do you want to, well, I guess it's not that far.
No, we're good.
Just,
We
okay.
can carry it to the truck.
Okay. Ah,
Oh no, it's got you.
it bit me.
Oh, the
Dog clothes.
pet
They're
clothing.
so
Yeah,
cute.
candy thief.
That was my dog.
Yeah, eating all your Easter chocolate.
I think that's every dog.
Literally, it's like you can have chocolate, but that's what they want.
Yeah.
Isn't that how
do.
we all work though? We all crave the things we shouldn't have. Like that big bag of chips I'm gonna eat when I get home.
Mm.
So that's her. She's
And eat
Chips,
for
chips.
breakfast? Yeah.
chocolate. There's some silver stuff and then there's a lot of fashion stuff in it.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of mixed in the rings and stuff.
Can I get in there?
Oh, careful.
I know, I'm gonna knock that off.
Yeah, knock it off.
You knock it off.
We're adults.
We're 50.
Yeah.
Good to be young at heart.
Yeah, we are children. It's a good thing we don't have kids of our own
Yeah.
because
That's what happens.
I would need
You just
another
turn into
adult
one.
around.
Yeah. That's squishy.
Weird.
Yeah.
Feels like a sourdough ball.
It's like a stress relief.
Oh, okay.
That's my inner child. I have like 100 of those.
Oh, do you?
Okay. Oh yeah, the dresser.
Yeah, the dresser.
I already forgot about it.
Oh. $3.
3. Holy.
I know.
I know. Okay. Look at this beach ball. That's cute.
Geez, a 50 watt halogen?
They get hot, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
They're super bright though, but they do. They get very warm.
Yeah. Don't like it when it gets really hot. It makes me nervous. Aww.
Feisty pets.
Oh yeah, and then you squeeze it or something, and it gets like angry face.
Does it?
Yeah. Oh, there.
Oh,
Aw. Ah.
that's neat. How did you know that?
I don't know.
Those feisty friends.
Yeah.
I love those.
They're cute. And then they're not cute.
Yeah, show your emotion.
Yeah. Just for the dresser.
Do you need help carrying it?
No.
Do you want to bring your vehicle?
We'll be fine.
I think, yeah.
We're just at the corner of the alley, so.
Okay.
You guys are young. You can.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We've
Do you want me to take the drawers out and carry the drawers?
No, I don't think so. I don't think it's going to be that heavy.
Oh, maybe it's all wood.
What am I?
Oh, is it
I think
stuck?
I'm just caught on something.
Yeah.
Okay, let me.
Oh. Got
It
it?
is heavier than I thought it would be, but
Yeah.
I think it'll be.
Carry the drawers.
No, I think it'll be fine.
I think we'll be fine, yeah. Just get here, at the bottom.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, hey, Harvey, how are you?
Getting by.
Good, good.
Have a good day.
It's a good thing we didn't park in the alley. We
Yeah.
wouldn't be able to get out.
Nope.
It's all jammed up now.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. You?
Hey, good. Usually I have to go backwards, so this is nice.
Well, you just wrecked it for yourself now.
Well, person with the heavy end shouldn't have to go backwards.
That's always you, though.
With the heavy end?
Yeah.
I know. This is gonna be nice. It's gonna be easy to get that off.
Yeah.
I'll just scrape it all off.
Yeah, you can see the. Is it oak? Is that oak?
No, I don't think so.
No,
I think
it's not as deep
I
a
think it's
grain as it
mahogany.
should be, is it?
I think it's mahogany. Yeah. Yeah, this will be like a nice MCM one.
Now, this is the front.
Right, so we want it on its back.
Spin it around.
Yeah. And then yeah, see, even this is just veneer, but it's all wood though.
Yeah, it's all wood, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's mahogany veneer and then
Pine.
pine or whatever that is. Yep. Nice.
Okay.
$3.
Yeah.
Maybe the cheapest one I ever. Oh no, I've got them for free before.
You
but
have, yeah, you did get a couple for
But,
free, but I
I
mean, this
mean-
is right up there with that.
Might as well be free.
Yeah,
For
$3.
Yeah. Nice. Well, we finally got something. Another project. Yay.
Yeah,
The
boy, you
basement's not quite full
just
yet.
bought a bunch of work for yourself.
Yeah.
But the ad did say everything is $2.
No, it didn't.
Oh, That was the last one. The one we're not going to.
I was like, what? We don't know anything more about this sale than I do.
Okay, never mind.
Do you want me to redo it?
Sure.
Just a second, guys, stop laughing. But
What? What else did the ad say? Nothing. Oh,
you're combining two sales.
yeah.
Earl Grey? Oh, decaffeinated. Why?
Take all the good stuff out.
I know. Why bother?